Let's find some solution with PIL library. To do that, we will import PIL. To import PIL, we will import let's delete sci-fi to see the import errors. From PIL, import image. So we imported the image, and also I can say that SciPy used PIL in the background. So this this is the same method with SciPy, and you should import pillow to apply SciPy in the same name, in the same version. You can download it. And also from PIL we import image, and we can see that there are some problems in our code due to the import errors. So this is a little bit different, but these are always the same concepts. Let's uh, delete here, and let's say that uh, we have image, and we will open it by writing the image path inside of that, and our method is RGB. Also, we want to resize it, and we will be doing it by thumbnail function, and this is the easiest way in PIL library. This will handle the actually there is some function on image of in PIL library that is a little bit long, that you need to define some parameters according to every image, but it has thumbnail function that you don't have to worry about all images in your data. And you should also add image.anti-alias here, and you are done. And now you should add the data to the cat data, and to do that we are now doing numpy append add these images, add image to the cat data, and now we are done. So let's copy this to the case that is for dogs. So when we do that, we should also check for the cat names, and when we run that again, we will see, I hope we will see with no problem, we will see some cat data and dog data file, and when we open our data, oops, we have a problem. I can see the problem in 0 and the another 0 that says that there are no images. There are some problem that image dot open function can't open all the datas, open all the images. So what should I do? I should check that if there is a problem in thumbnail function, or if there's a problem in opening function. To see that, let's say print dot here, because I know that there are some exceptions here. To see that, let's say print 1, and after the thumbnail function we should check print 2. So when we run it, we can see that they're both problematic. To avoid that, let's check for our functions out of this loop, and we can take one of we can take one of the images by hand and print it here, and if there's a problem I can see it. Open got an unexpected keyboard argument string, but I believe that there are some parameters here. Well, let's do it like that. Okay, we have only one parameter. That shouldn't be str. That should be mode. Actually, we don't have to write mode or str. So when we run that, let's see if there's a problem. Well, there is still a problem. And what is that problem? We have a problem in modes. We have bad mode RGB. Let's delete that. Also, we need to check for the documentation, because when we delete the mode, uh, we can see the error. When we run that, we see that we have no problem in saving or loading the data. Let's delete them. Then let's check for the documentation. So probably we shouldn't write anything here, but if given this argument must be R, but there is no alternative for that. Probably the the authors of PIL library has something that they hid for us. There's something hidden here. So in that way, I can take the data. So I run the data, and I run the code again, and I see that I have the data, but in a little bit uh, in a less megabytes. So I shouldn't be use PIL library, but I'm showing you for uh, this purpose. Maybe you have no alternative, and you want to run it with some you need to run PIL library. This is an alternative, but if there is a problem, you can change it, and this is the actually purpose of this course. And in the other video, we will be talking about Keras method solution.